Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And this is a very useful and helpful pipe elbow. And this project is a small project, and this pipe elbow project is very useful and helpful. And this is a very important learner, beginner student is very important this project. Okay, all 2D geometries design here and drafting here and all. Okay, let's start here. This body is design. At first drawing this bottom view, and this is a front view, and this is section view. And this project is a pipe elbow, and all dimension in millimeter, and length, and all length is 20 millimeter is this, and pitch is 1.5 is this, and M27 this is a thread is used here, and offset all is a all point is discussed here one by one, and all point is a this a thread. And okay, this is a at first drawing this is a skeleton drawing here, and 42 millimeter, and this fillet is 18 millimeter, and this is a 90-degree angle, and this is a equal length 42 millimeter. Okay, let's start here drawing this. At first select a plane is top plane, and select at first line is this okay, 90-degree angle is skeleton is at first is drawing here, and both is equal. Okay, and this is a 42. Okay, this is correct. And fillet a sketch fillet is used here, and use this okay, and use 18 millimeter. Okay, and click okay. This is perfect. Okay, 42 millimeter and 18 millimeter is correct. Okay, and exit, and use a swept boss base command is used here. And this is a very important, and use a circular profile, and circular profile is not of 2014 and below, not a 2014 version and below not use here, and 2014 above means 2015, 2016 and above all is all new version in SolidWorks. All circular profile is used, so you can see here. Okay, not below version 2014. And okay, this is a circular profile is used here, and this is a use a 28 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a 28 millimeter is correct. But one point is also discussed here. This is a thin is 3 millimeter, and all is correct. And this is a thin feature is used here, and this is a 3 millimeter is correct. 3 millimeter, and direction is one direction, and this is outside, and this is inside, this is outside. Okay, this is correct. Okay, this is perfect. Outside is perfect, and click OK. Okay, and page select here. Image quality is very high. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, this point is correct. And and next is drawing here. This is a some boundary, and this thickness is 5 millimeter, and this is a inward direction, and this is a circle is drawing here. This is a 38 millimeter, and all value is thread, but this is a correct. Okay, at first select this face, sketch, normal, and drawing a circle. Select a center point and use a this, and diameter is a 38 millimeter is correct. Okay, and use this edge is also convert entities, because this is a open, and not use a convert entities, then this is a close. Okay, use a extrude boss base, this is open, and not use this inward fillet, then this is a close. Okay, this edge is also select here, and this is a 5 millimeter thickness, and direction is inward. Okay, this is a correct. And also change here 6 millimeter is also 6.2 is better, and direction is inward is correct. Okay, and same, and normal, and drawing a circle. Okay, and this circle is diameter is 38 is correct, and also this edge is convert entities, because this mouth is open, and not use a convert entities, then this mouth is close. And also same, this is a blind, and 6.2 millimeter, and merge result all is correct. Okay, but direction is a okay, this is a correct, but direction is a upward, means change here downward. Okay, this is a correct, this is a inward direction is correct. And next is a use a thread. Thread is used here, and this is a 20 millimeter is length, and pitch is 1.5, and M27 offset is 5 millimeter is correct. 1 by 1 is use here, and use a thread. Thread is this. Okay, and at first select any edge is this, and use this is a 20 millimeter. Okay, and next is a use here this is a metric die, and metric type is also very use, and this metric type is, and this is a correct N27 and 1.5. okay, this is a correct. Okay, M27 1.5. okay, this is a correct M27 and 1.5. okay, also correct M22. M22 is also better. Okay, M22 is mentioned here, and metric die is also correct. M27 1.2 is not correct here. M22 multiply 1.2 is correct, but this is a metric type. M27 is also this is a, and use offset. Offset is 2.2 millimeter is offset, and direction is inward. Okay, this is a correct. and 20 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct. And also use here metric to die, and all is looking perfect, and use a 22 millimeter, and this is a correct, and all is nice looking here. Okay, this is a not use here, and this is a metric tab is correct, and metric tab and 22. Okay, correct. Metric tab is, and 1.5 is better. This is a M22. Okay, this is a also, guys, you can see here also change here easily and clearly, but this is a simple use learn. M22 is also better, because this M27 is not mentioned here. M20 correct value is M22 multiply 1.5. okay, this is a correct. Metric tab is also better, and all is correct. Okay, and same use this, use a thread and use here, and all is correct. M20 metric tab and all is correct, and this is offset is 2 millimeter is downward, this is a upward. Okay, and all is correct. Okay, this is a very nice looking here, and this value and this, press a control button and change a color is this. Okay, and also use a metal chrome, this is a bronze, and this is a use a this, and apply a is apply here, this is a perfect and correct. And also isometric is this, and this is a perfect, perfect and correct. Okay. Okay, guys, any doubt about this lecture? Guys, I hope you will learn this project is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is design. And this is a pin design, and this pin is very useful in office, any university or and any school, college, and this pin is very important, and this is a very important, and this is a use office use here. And guys, and this pin is designed today discuss here, and how to this body is design. And also this is a 2D drafting is also available here. And guys, this is this body is very nice looking here, and this is a top view, and this is a front view, and this is side view, right view, and this is a right view means side view, and both is this all is a drafting here. And some important point is discussed here, all dimension in millimeter, and dome 1 millimeter is this this is a elliptical dome and 1 millimeter, and thickness is 2 millimeter. Is this thickness is 2 millimeter, and fillet is used here. This fillet is used here 18 millimeter, and some important point is discussed here. Okay, and okay, this body is a design here, and this is a looking perfect and correct, and this is a very useful and helpful use office. And okay guys, this lecture is very important for a beginner student, is very important also. And okay, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first drawing a part, and some important point is discussed here. Plane is white, and going to document property, and image quality is very high because because this is a all geometry and all body is looking perfect. Okay, at first drawing this and okay, at first drawing this circle, and this circle is this is a use a 10 diameter is 10 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 3 millimeter, and this is a drafting is available. This is a drafting is used here. Angle is 22 degree. Okay, and use a front plane because this body is a looking a front. Okay, and draw a circle, and the circle diameter is a 10 millimeter. Okay, and use a extrude boss. Extrude boss is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and use a this is a use a draft on, and angle is a 22 degree. Okay, and this point is use here. This is use of fillet. Fillet is 2 millimeter, and okay, and use of fillet. Fillet is 2 millimeter, and use of this. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. And next is a okay, next is a this line is drawing here, and this line is used here. This is a convert entities, and this 6 degree angle is drafting, and this length is a length is 99 millimeter is perfect. And this face is a sketch, and use a convert entities, and extrude boss, and this length is 9 millimeter, and also this draft angle, this draft is use a 6 degree angle. Okay, this is a perfect. This use a 6 degree angle, and this length is 9 millimeter and correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next is also this sketch, and use a convert entities. Okay, and next is use here this body is design, and use this and use this 0.8 millimeter, and this use a 82 degree angle. Okay, also perfect and correct. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this length is 0.88. Okay, this is a perfect 0.8. Okay, 0.8 millimeter, and this body is correct, and this use a Okay, this use a perfect and this is a correct. This thickness is available here, and this is a use of this, and okay, and use a and this is a 82 and draft outward, and this is a perfect. This use a 0.8 millimeter and 82 degree is a draft, and draft is outward, and click OK. This is a perfect. And also this face sketch, and this thickness is used here. Okay, and use a convert entities, and extrude boss. Extrude boss is this thickness is a 0.4, and click OK. 0.4. This is a very nice looking here, and correct. This 0.4 thickness is perfect, and use a dome. This feature and dome is 1 millimeter, and click this face and use elliptical dome. This is a perfect. Click OK. This is very nice looking here, and this okay, and some color is a okay, this color is a select here, and also okay, this is a perfect color, and very nice looking here. And next point is a pin is drawing here, and some use a important point. This pin is this diameter is a 2 millimeter, and at first drawing this inside is 6 millimeter, and outward is a 15 millimeter, and again 3 millimeter is 90 degree. Okay, draft is available here. Okay, at first select this face sketch, a normal, or drawing a circle. Circle is this, and this use a 2 millimeter diameter, and use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a 6 millimeter inside direction. Okay, and okay, and again this face sketch normal, and convert entities. Okay, and use extrude boss base is apply here, and this thickness is 15 millimeter. Okay, and 15 millimeter is a this is a merge result is unchecked, because this is a very important. Okay, and click OK. Okay, and this and color is change here, and color is a chrome plate, and okay, chrome plate, and also use a nickel. Nickel is also okay. Okay, this is a perfect. Check undo, and this is a also check nickel. Nickel is perfect, but chrome plate is better. Chrome plate is better. Okay, and next is a this is a perfect, and also select this face sketch. Convert entity is used here, and also use extrude boss, and this thickness is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and use a draft angle, and draft angle is a 90 degree. Okay, use a 90, but this is a perfect, and click OK. And also this and chrome plate is used here. And one important point is this is a fillet is a this thickness is not a use here, but some missing point, and this dome is 1 millimeter. Okay, correct. And fillet is a 18 millimeter, and this is a 18 millimeter is very important. And this fillet is used here, and click this line, and this is a 18 millimeter, and click this line and connect to this, and very important for this. And click this fillet, use a chrome plate. Okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. This pin body is designed here easily and clearly. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all process is learned here easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you. Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this body is designed, and this is a 2D drafting is available here, and this threads details is also available here. And how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And today discuss here a very important this nozzle pipe design is discussed here, and all dimension is clear here easily and clearly. Okay, and this body is a nozzle pipe design, and all is a body is looking perfect and correct, and this is a looking so nice here. And this is a all is perfect, and all gap is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is okay. And this body is designed how to easily and clearly. Okay, let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, at first select a part, and some point is a very important, and use a plain white, and some setting is also image quality is very high because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and next is this is a perfect geometry is defined, and this length is a 18 millimeter, and draw a circle is 3.6 millimeter, and this gap is a 3 millimeter, and this length full length is 10 millimeter, but half length is diameter is 5 millimeter. Okay, and at first select a plane is right plane is perfect, and some for reference geometry is a drawing here, but use only reference. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a horizontal, and draw a center point arc, and the center point arc is a this is a okay, this point this drawing this this is a perfect, and connect to this. Okay, but also use for construction geometry, but this is a use a reference point, and some Okay, this distance between this point to this is a 18 millimeter, and this diameter, this is a radius is a, okay, this radius is a 3.6. Okay, this is a perfect. And again drawing a small circle, and this circle is drawing a this, and this diameter is a, okay, this diameter is a 2.8. okay, this is a diameter is 2.8. and also use a construction. Okay, this use a, also use a for a use a construction. Okay, this is a perfect. And some line is drawing here, or select a line. Line is a this, drawing a this to this is a drawing here, and use a this, and this line is a this. Okay, this line is a taper, not horizontal, but this line is a taper line, because some angle is a defined here. And next point is this is a perfect. And some use a okay, okay, and this is a some use this is a radius, drawing a this, and circle, and this line is a this line is this, and some line is taper, and this line is also connect to this, but this line is a some use this, and this line is also this, and use a connect to this point is a this. Okay, and some use a this line to this line is a, okay, this line is a use a collinear, and connect a center line, this line to this point to connect here, and this line to this line is a also collinear. This line is a vertical is perfect. Okay, and next is a use this line, okay, and some use a okay, okay, this line is a use here, and connect to this, and this is a some taper line, and use this connect to this, and connect to this line to this. Okay, and connect to this. This is a perfect. And this distance is a 1.2. This point to this distance is 1.2. Is perfect. And next is a use some angle is this line to this is a angle is a 26 degree. Okay, and this angle is distance is a 60 degree angle. Okay, because this is a 26 degree angle is this, and 1.2 is distance, and this is a 60 degree angle, and this diameter is a 2.6, and this radius is 3.6. This is a 3.6 and 2.6. Okay, all is perfect. And next point is a okay, this is a perfect. And use this is a, and this distance is a 3 millimeter. Okay, and this point to this distance is a 5 millimeter. Okay, and this is a, this radius is a 0.8. This radius is a, this radius is 0.5 millimeter, and this is a 0.8 millimeter. Okay, this is a 0.8 millimeter, and this is a 0.5 millimeter. This is a 0.8, and also this is a point sorry, 0.5. Next is a okay, so nice. And some point is very useful, and this point, and press a control button, and this is a okay, this is a vertical line, and this point, and this okay, and this point, and press a control button, and this center point is a horizontal line, and this is a very important. Okay, okay, and this is a perfect. Okay, and next is a, this is a use a angle is this to, this is a 135, and okay, and this is a collinear is perfect. And some distance. Okay, this distance is a 6 this center point and this distance is a 6 millimeter. Okay, and next is a some point is this, and this circle is a 1.5. This is a 1.6 and distance is a 1.5. This distance is a 1.6. 1.5 is better, and this is a perfect. And next is a, and this point to this point is distance is a 8 millimeter, and this point to this distance is a 12 millimeter. Okay, and next is a this distance is a distance is 11.8. Okay, this is a perfect. Next is a, and next is a some use a this is a use this this point is a select here and use this point to this line, and this distance is a 5.9. Okay, and okay, and this is a perfect, and this point and this line is also use a this is a use a default value, and this point is a tangent is also okay. And this point is also tangent. Okay, and next is okay, one point is missing here, and one point is a use this point is a 1.5. Okay, all is a fully defined, and this is a perfect. All is correct, and this is a fully defined, and all okay, and all dimension is a okay. Okay, and next, okay, all point is a perfect, and all this is all geometry is fully defined, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is a one by one is all point is correct. And next is use a revolve boss and select this, select. Okay, okay, and next is a this revolve boss base is a delete here, and some value is edit here, and okay, but this point is a this is a the 12 and use this okay, and this use a 10 and use also 7 and this point is a 0.75. okay, this is a not use a and use a 10 and use a 7 and this is a perfect and use a revolve boss and okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a very nice looking here. And next this face, select sketch normal and click a hexagon and select this, connect to this center point. okay, and this is a line is a horizontal line and mention this dimension, but this dimension is not used because this is a connect here and this all dimension, this dimension is perfect 11.8. okay, and some extrude cut is apply here and extrude cut is a okay, extrude cut is a this face, select this face okay, and some use a extrude cut of flip side to cut, click okay, this is a perfect but and some use a this is a 11.11 is better and this is a 7.5, click ok. and extrude cut is a this is a 8.5 okay, through all is better and click ok. All is perfect and okay, and some use a fillet chamfer is used here and one is perfect and this is a this and click ok. And next use a thread is use this okay, and this is use a 8mm and use a offset is 2mm flip side and use a 6 7 okay, a metric to die and use a this is a perfect and select the sketch of convert entities and use a extrude cut and click OK. This is a perfect and correct. And some color is used here, and this color is this. And OK. Okay, this length is a increase, and some use a okay, this sketch drawing here normal, and this length is a some 20 is perfect, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a better. And also this thread is used here, and click this thread, and this is a 9mm is perfect, and 8.5 is better. 8.5 is perfect, and click OK. Okay, this is a very nice looking here and perfect. And okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay guys, this is a finally drawing here. Nozzle pipe is designed, and guys, I hope you will learn all this process is easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.